In front of me is LG K61, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System right here and go to Backup. Tap on OK, then go to Backup and Restore. To Google Backup, the last option. And if only you want to activate it, just mark this switcher. And as only it is active, you can smoothly add your backup account. So just click on Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. Okay, so this is not the one that I wanted to connect with, this one. And as only you are connected, just refresh this account page and wait a couple of seconds until your device will check all the information and data stored on the device's internal storage. And now smoothly enter your email address or phone number, and let me enter email address and tap on Next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And that's it, tap on Accept to finish the whole operation. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active, and your backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK, and that's it, you've just activated the Google Backup. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.